my friends. Today I'm gonna talk about something that many students ask me about. It's related to songs. Some vocabulary related to songs topic, okay? First of all, I wanna say that the words of the song, okay, is called lyrics. Lyrics. Lyrics are the words of the song. The singer, of course, is the person, male or female, who is singing the song. We have composer. Composer is the person who writes the music. Okay? He creates the music and writes them. Composer. We have concert. Concert is a musical performance, like a musical party. Musicians on stage, maybe there's a singer or there's no singer, but musicians on stage, and they are performing a piece of music. Of course, there are audience, people who are attending and listening to the music. We have musician. Musician is the person who plays a musical instrument, plays music, plays piano, plays guitar. And we have the musical instrument itself. It's the thing like piano, guitar, drums. Okay. The final thing is related to movies more. It's subtitles. Subtitles are the words written on the bottom line of the screen, okay, of a movie or a TV show or whatever, that explains what's being said in the movie. The subtitles can be in any language. It can be in the same language of the movie. For example, you're watching an English movie and the subtitles are in English, or the subtitles are in Arabic or Urdu or whatever, or French or whatever your language is. This is subtitles, okay? So this is today's topic. I hope you like it, and please give it a thumbs up if you like it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.